Hello, family. We're going to make fried chicken sandwiches today. I wanted a chicken sandwich, and I made homemade Chick-fil-A sauce to go with it. So come join me. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is make my dredging flour. And I got 3 cups of flour in here. I was hungry for fried chicken, but in a chicken sandwich. And I'm going to add about a cup of cornstarch. That's about all I got. That's about all that's left in there, so that'll be fine. 2/4 cups. I found some more, so I'm just going to put a little bit more in there. Okay, now I'm going to add, I know a lot of you don't use accent, but I do, especially when I make like fried chicken. So I'm going to put a little bit of accent in here. Paprika. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. Some poultry seasoning. Pepper. And just a little bit of salt. Now that's ready for me to, I'm just going to shake it. This is so much easier. So that's ready for when I'm ready to do my chicken. Now, I had to have some kind of sauce. My husband loves sauce, so I didn't have any Chick-fil-A sauce, so okay, I'll just make my own. And I don't have mayonnaise. My husband does not like mayonnaise, so I didn't make it. I didn't, I'm going to make it with Miracle Whip. I'll just cut back on the honey because there's sugar in Miracle Whip. I'm just going to I'm going to double the recipe. I'm going to do 1 cup of Miracle Whip. Clean up my mess here. Okay, I'll put that in there. So I want this to go in the fridge so it'll get cold. Alright, now I'm going to add, it says 2 tablespoons of honey, but since it's got Miracle Whip in it, and I'm doubling the recipe, I would be putting 4 tablespoons, but I'm only going to put 2, half it. I know my husband would love it because it's really sweet, but I wouldn't. So we'll see if I got a tablespoon left here. And I do. How about that? Okay. Now I gotta open this one. It is like 90 degrees today, in the 90s. We've got a heat warning out, so yeah. Not doing much. I thought frying chicken wouldn't be, the oven won't be on. And I am not turning the air conditioner off. I hope it's not messing too bad with the microphone, but I cannot turn the air conditioner off today. It's very hot, and when you live in a mobile home, even if when you got air conditioner, it's hard to get the whole house cool. We've got air conditioner on and fans going to every room. Okay, I'm gonna stir this up a little bit here, just for the first stir. Okay, now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I guess it doesn't matter what kind of barbecue sauce. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons because I'm doubling it, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mustard. Oh, I should shake this first, because you know how mustard is. Oh, it gets all over too. Look at, I'm making such a mess. Here we go. Look at that. Mustard can stain, so I got to get that up right away. Mustard and beet powder, and what else do I have that? Oh, turmeric. Yeah, anything with turmeric in it. Or turmeric, whatever. I don't know. I don't know if it's turmeric or turmeric, but I tend to call it turmeric. But let me know in the comments what's the right way. Is it number 1 turmeric or is it number 2 turmeric? All right, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Oh, you know what? I was supposed to add, since I was doubling it, I was supposed to add 4 teaspoons of mustard, so I got to do that again. So here we go again. Two more. That's what happens when you double stuff. You got to remember what you're doing. All right, we're going to mix this up. And there you have it, folks. Homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. Hopefully it'll pass my husband's test. He loves this stuff. Okay, and we'll be back when we start frying the chicken. I've got my chicken that I had soaked overnight in milk. We got our dredge here. So we are going to, I'm going to put this in the bag here, and we're going to give it a shake. Somebody's trying to call me, but that's okay. They'll have to wait. All right, these are thighs. Give it a shake. Even if we get a little dirty, we don't care. I blew a hole in the bag. That's not good. I have flour everywhere. Guess who's going to be vacuuming tonight? Oh my gosh. All right, that's good. Okay, we're going to flip these now. They're big. Huge. Now while that's frying, we're going to swing over here. I got my pan on. I'm going to put some butter on the bun. See? Because I want it done right. That's getting hot. I'm just going to lay these in here. We're going to just let that sit a minute. You have to keep your eye on this because they tend to cook quite fast, depending on how high you have your. My baby girl is hungry, but I want to give her a piece of fried chicken, so I'm waiting. Had to double check my microphone here. It's getting there. Just a couple more seconds. I'm going to turn the pan off because it's really hot. I think that's good, right? Okay, now we're going to wait until our chicken's done. Let's swing you back over here to the chicken. It's looking mighty fine. It's okay. But it is hot enough. You just want to get it more crispy. Just want to give it a couple more minutes on the other side. Okay, I'm just going to put it on this paper towel here. We're going to unplug this, turn it off. We're going to put a little bit on the bottom and a little bit on the top. And I like pickles on mine, so I'm adding pickles. Actually, I should add it to the top. And we're going to try it. First bite. Take a big bite. Let's see if we can do this. Mm-mm-mm. That sauce is good. I've got it all over me. Look at it. That's how good it is. Yeah. Yummy. Mm. I know, baby girl. I'm cooling yours down. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.